In this video, I'll show you how to fix a card declined error in PayPal step by step. First, log into your PayPal account and check your wallet. PayPal says one of the most common reasons for a declined card is outdated card details. So make sure the card number, expiry date, billing address, and security code are correct and match what your bank has on file. Next, check if PayPal is asking you to confirm the card. PayPal says that if you see a confirm card link next to the card, you may need to complete that step before you can use it. In some cases, if you already tried to confirm it, PayPal says it can take 2 to 3 business days to update. Another very common reason is that the bank or card issuer declined the payment. PayPal explains that card issuers often do not tell PayPal the exact reason, so you may need to contact your bank directly and ask whether the card is blocked for online, international, or PayPal transactions. Also, make sure your PayPal account is not limited and that your email address is confirmed, because PayPal lists both of these as possible causes of declined payments. If the card still fails, try a different payment method like another card, a linked bank account, or your PayPal balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.